everyone, it's Gigi, and I have two pink envelopes here, which means Not2ShabbyShop and Mama Elephant. So I'll go ahead and show you the link to the Not2ShabbyShop. And what I did was I got some Lawn Fawn stuff. I got Yay Kites. Really cute. I watched Sarah Elliott do a DT project a while back and figured I had to get these. And I got the matching dies because I wanted the scripty words, and then I didn't want to have to hand cut or fussy cut out the strings. So I got that. Then I got Make Lemonade, and this is going to be in a giveaway. I got Wish You Were Here. This is an older one, but I had bought the die set from her and ordered this. You mean the world to me, wishing you were here, missing you. I love it. Can't wait to make a card. I got the Treat Yourself stamps die set, and I ordered the stamp set to go with it, so I'm waiting on that. And then I got the Let's Barbecue die set. I already own the stamp set, and they have such little pieces that I figured why not make it easier on myself. So I need to make a card with that. So that's all I got at the Not2ShabbyShop. It was a smaller haul this time. And at Mama Elephant, I got the Ocean Waves Trio. They look like this. And then I got the Frame Tags Park Avenue Creative Cuts die set. It's scalloped on the inside, and then it has two double stitching, and then it has a tag, and then it has a little border for the tag, for the topper, and they have it in scalloped or just regular, and then there's a speech bubble that you can use. So I'm really excited about using this one. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to y'all again real soon. Bye bye.